Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a background image in Webflow 2026. So you don't add the background image directly, okay, to section elements, for example, from the add panel. Instead, you can select a section or div block and add the image from the style panel, okay? So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So all you need to do is to open the Webflow designer at first, and to do that you will need to go to the dashboard and then just open your project, okay? And that way you will be forwarded into the Webflow designer. Now you will need to select your section first. So for example, I will go with that section, okay, here. Or you can even select a div block or whatever you want. So we will go with the section, just an example with it. So that one, okay. So this is our section, and here you will need to open the style panel. So that's one, okay. So now you will need to scroll down to the background, okay. And then just go ahead and click on that plus icon next to image and gradients. So click it. And now you will need to click on choose image. So here you can choose an image from the assets, and even you can upload some images from your desktop, okay? So I will go with an existing one just from here, just to show you. Right, just set an example with it. So it's added right now. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.